Hello viewers, and the wait has finally come from the December 2021 menu to January 2022 menu for the new McDonald's burger. So let's see what's inside this bag. Item number 1 is the most important one, and it's called the BBQ Bacon Stack. Item number 2 is just McDonald's large fries. Not so important. This is what the McDonald's barbecue bacon stack looks like. Has this kind of barbecue sauce, beef, bacon, tomato, cheese, lettuce. Fries that comes from the bag. I'm really going to give me enough fries this time. And now it's about a taste test of the barbecue bacon stack. It's kind of like a weird barbecue sauce. It doesn't feel like a traditional barbecue sauce in the colour of brown, but it's kind of like a chipotle barbecue because of the chipotle sauce look. But I'm not a big fan of chipotle sauce, but it tastes kind of smooth and kind of alright. And even trying with the fries, quite the same as well. And after I had my meal, to wash it all down with ordinary Coca again, because I can't have the zero sugar version. It's kind of like having this burger, the fries, and the cola. It's kind of like three things in one, because you got the beef, you got the fries, and you got the cola. That tastes kind of like amazing. But with the chipotle burger, it's kind of different, but it tastes kind of like normal. But for now, viewers, this is the end of my food review.